I've got a big problem.
What's wrong, Sammy?
Miss Dearborn's flower shop was robbed. We have photos from the robbery from the camera that night, but the intruder is wearing a ski mask.
Don't worry, Sammy. These cameras took really good pictures, and if we zoom in really close...
We can see an eye?
Yep, we can see the iris.
Oh, wait, what's the iris?
The iris is a thin, circular muscle in the eye. It lets light into the eye, and it's usually blue or brown. Like fingerprints, everyone's iris is different.
I see. So we just have to compare. Just have to compare it to our suspects.
Yes, Sammy. Let's see.
Look,
Number 2. There's another one.
Oh, wait, look. Number 3 and the one from the robbery are the same. I've got them.
Go, Sammy! Thanks to you all for helping us solve this case. See you next time.